Hi, this is Carl, and I just want to talk this morning about some cool stuff I added to the community over the weekend. I created a kit just for people in the community, and it's to help you document your clients' internet domain names and all the information associated with that. This is something that too many of us ignore, and this is basically a client-facing set of documents. So, you go onto the registrar and you find out, okay, we have these domain names registered for a specific client. You should give them a list of those and let them know that you are managing those on their behalf. Next, there's a form that you fill out. It's in a Word doc format. That basically for every domain, you want to list out who is the administrative contact, the technical contact, the billing contact. Where are the DNS names pointed to? So, the DNS servers might be at the ISP, it might be within their office, it might be at your office, it might be in your cloud service, their hosting service, whatever. This is one of these things that's extremely important because if you move on, if they decide to have another IT support person or you are injured or whatever, they need to be able to access this stuff very easily, and it's kind of a pain in the neck. And then beyond that, what are all of the entries within their DNS servers? What are the host names they have? What are the SPF records that they have? If they're using Constant Contact or MailChimp or something else, you need to make sure that that information is backed up so that you can recreate it. None of this stuff is impossible to find or to you use some detective work to go figure out, but life is just much easier if you document it, give that documentation to the client, let them know that you're managing their system. And I personally encourage you to make a point of when somebody's coming up for renewal on a domain name, literally just send them an invoice for $100 and say, here is the domain name renewal for you. Please go ahead and pay this. We'll take care of it, and we'll always be happy to manage your stuff. So many clients just want to stick with the services they have that you'll find that you'll eventually be managing the domain names of every former client or most of your former clients for a long, long time until there's a reason for them to go somewhere else. And if you preemptively send them this kind of documentation, it goes a long ways to show that, man, you're the right person to be managing these records, not some random person that they hired to do website hosting or to manage their email. This is only available inside the Small Biz Thoughts community. I'm not selling it separately at SMB Books or anywhere else. So it's good stuff, but it's only available to members inside the Small Biz Thoughts community. So check it out today.